what's the trick here then?
So tricks, unfortunately, to commit.
Right, just got to go for it.
Get a good kick.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
You just got to commit to this one being, you're going to be out here. Yes.
Oh,
Got it.
nice. It's all about commitment.
Hello Rick, how you doing?
Good, you. I was going to ask you, when is your next Spartan race and how that works?
Next Spartan race is up in Scotland.
Yeah.
It's a beast course. I was lucky enough last year to win there, so I'm hoping to go and repeat this year.
Right.
There's a beast on the Saturday,
Yeah.
which is the longer distance, kind of 13-mile race, about 30 plus obstacles. And then on the Sunday there is a super race, which is a little bit less in distance and less obstacles. And maybe this Saturday morning they're going to have an ultra version, which is basically a marathon of Spartan race.
What is Spartan racing, and am I right in saying that you actually get paid for it? Is that right?
I don't get paid for it.
Right, okay.
I have a few select sponsors that help me out with kit and stuff. I'm on the Spartan UK Pro team.
Right.
We don't get paid. Contrary to belief, I'd love to be paid.
Okay.
But yeah, no, it's a really good hobby that I've managed to turn into kind of like a bit more than a hobby.
Yeah.
I've managed to travel around the world and World Championships in Tahoe last year.
Nice.
Just got my qualification email for the World Championships this year, yesterday. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go, but fingers crossed.
Then you've obviously got to fund the travelling yourself, and then so you've got to fit it in with your own work life. And
yeah, unfortunately I still work a 40-hour-a-week full-time job.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of my time. I have to fit training in, and funding the travel is the hardest part of everything.
Do you train in the gym? Do you do like work down here on the rig, or
Yeah,
both?
try and mix it up, bit both. I love doing bouldering, climbing, outdoor stuff, rig work. Quite a lot of percentage of my training is running, but yeah, also there is gym training as well.
So today then we're going to look at monkey bars, holds, grips, and I was also going to show you some human flag stuff. Is that right?
I'd love to learn how to human
cool.
flag.
Right, cool. Do you have chalk or not?
No, I don't normally use it. No. Good in the race.
Yeah.
Normally they're wet.
Yeah. Do you use any like mud, anything like that? Does that help?
Sometimes, like if there's a bit of dust or something, maybe I'll wipe it in there. But generally, just got to go with what you got.
Okay, cool. Oh, yeah, hands a bit sweaty. So sideways when it's wet, yeah.
Yeah, I'd kind of go sideways when it's wet.
T-Rex, you call it, yeah?
Yeah, kind of like little arm, quick movement, drive the knees, just quite quick and efficient.
See, that kills my biceps. I suppose you get used to that. Nice.
Just miss one out. That would be like super quick. Because probably monkey bars would be about this long.
Yeah.
And there's a bell at the end that you got to hit.
Yeah.
So literally you can get like to the end and you could probably just dive for the bell.
Obstacles where endurance comes more into play.
Yeah, there's like traversing traverse where you got to go over a rope. That takes a few minutes. Bucket carry. Carries are longer, more endurance based.
Okay.
There's this one that's twister, you got to go backwards.
Yeah.
And the bar rotates, and you've got little handholds which are about that big.
You using your legs on that one as well? No, just arms.
All upper body.
Do you ever do like straight arm in the race, or is it?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it depends where I am in the field and how I feel.
When would that benefit you if you did straight arm?
If I don't want to put too much pressure on my biceps, if I know like there's a carry or some kind of hoist or a more upper body orientated one, I'd go straight arm.
Even for the next?
Yeah. There's a lot of tactics in the race, like mentally, as you come up to an obstacle, generally they release a map before.
Yeah.
You hope.
Any tips for these then? I know these can be quite tricky.
So I would go, if you've not done the balls before, double hand.
Yeah.
Get yourself an L, kind of switch across, double hand. Yeah, then get yourself in, point of reach. Yeah.
These?
Reach, just go hand underneath. Your top hand goes to the bottom. Ooh. And then other hand goes to the top. There you go.
Yeah.
You end up going like that on one of the holds.
Okay.
Because it just makes it, if you get there, you can get like a full,
right, okay.
Goes right in the middle of your hand. If it's there, you end up like that. So kind of just have a bit more of a hold on it.
Right, disperse the weight.
Yeah.
Right, Luke, we're going to do a warm-up first. So the idea with this is the top arm, when you're doing the human flag, pulls. So that's what we're trying to do, is pull the shoulder down into the rib cage. So if you do one side, so get that retraction.